Welcome to GRTV. Now we can discuss about the medicinal plant against malignant melanoma. So the melanoma is highly carcinogenic, and there is no benign melanoma because in African countries this is the most common malignant melanoma. Means there is a black, there will be black patches on the surface of skin, and these melanotic sites will infiltrate into subcutaneous tissue, and it will metastasis in vital organs, brain, and bone marrow, and gastrointestinal system, liver, spleen, heart, and lungs, and pancreas, whatever it may be, in all vital organs, it will metastasis or infiltrate into all vital organs. This is the plant of choice for any malignant tumors. Malignant cancer, this is the plant of choice because this is very bitter. This is the only plant which is more bitter on the earth is this plant. I will tell the botanical name for this plant, and this is very bitter, and it will minimize the sugar levels, hyperglycemia. In hyperglycemic conditions, if you chew 3 times morning, lunch, and dinner, if you chew this much of leaf 3 times daily, definitely the blood sugar level will comes to normal. So if without any without any untoward effects or adverse effects or side effects or any reactions, only the bitter is bitter taste of bitter is a little bit the tongue won't allow, because some patients will complaining of this nauseating sensation, because of vomiting sensation, because of this high bitter taste of this medicinal plant. Actually, we did research and development on melanoma patient. So outstanding results, because the melanotic patch growth will be retarded and diminished, and patient's weight is improved, and appetite also improved, and his energy levels and physical activity also improved. Because I have seen there will be tender, palpable, and rigid lymph nodes at the ventral surface of ankle, ventral surface of knee joint, and after regular intake of this leaf 3 times a day, in lunch and dinner and morning with a breakfast, after taking breakfast, tremendous results we have seen on patient. So the nature itself is a wonderful physician and a wonderful doctor like Dhanvantari. So we have to respect the nature. So we have to utilize the herbal medication in cancerous patients, because radiation and this chemotherapy, so many organs, even kidneys will damage, and the liver will dysfunction, because the main metabolism will be in liver, hepatic dysfunction, renal insufficiency, and even gastrointestinal intolerance also because of chemotherapy and radiation. But this herbal leaf, it looks like a bean. Bean plant, the flower itself, flower is in a whitish color, and it looks like a bean flower, and this is highly bitter in taste. Even neem leaf, even this bitter gourd leaf, also not equal to this leaf. So this is highly anti-malignant properties. So we are successfully treating one malignant melanoma case. So he's very the response on patient is very effective, and he is very active, and previously there is enhancement of creatinine levels in urine, but after using this medicinal plant, the creatinine levels goes down, and his liver function tests and kidney function tests and heartbeat and gastrointestinal system and this lung capacity, everything is normal, and he is doing his own business, and he is interacting with business people, and his weight is gaining, and appetite and bowel movements also very regular, and this there is no fever. Even COVID also, he escaped from first wave and second wave also, and his lung vital capacity testing, excellent lung vital capacity. So this is the this leaf, this plant, this medicinal plant leaf is very effective and a tremendous response on malignant melanoma case. So the patient is very doing his day-to-day activities, means stepping exercise, and this walking, and jumping on trump pad, and bullworker exercise, and he is doing all the activities, and he is attending for all business seminars and all. So we can arrest this malignant melanoma with this medicinal leaf. So those customers who want this medicinal plant, please feel free to call this below scrolling number, so that we will supply for free of cost, so that you can try on cancer patients. There is a tremendous response. Even in squamous cell carcinoma, we can apply if it is on open, if it is more common in oral cavity. So we can because the squamous cell carcinoma is in cauliflower-like growth. We can grind this leaves of this specified medicinal plant, and if the patient keeps in his oral cavity on the affected side, definitely the growth of this malignant this oral cancers will definitely deplete, and definitely the patient will get favorable situations of increase of appetite and increase of weight, and the growth of the cancer will be diminished, and there won't be any further problems. So this is the first plant of choice in malignant cancers. The pulp of this leaf and raw leaf we can chew, we can grind, we can masticate this raw leaf also. So, for external wounds and cancers, even wounds also, because some people will have boils on the thighs or on the lower limbs or upper limbs or on the chest. So, if we grind this 10 to 15 leaves of this medicinal plant, to arrest that purulent exudate from the wound. So this is wonderful medicinal plant we are propagating and we are cultivating locations. So those patients who want this medicinal plant, please feel free to call onto this scrolling number, so that we will supply seeds and baby plants also, so that you can replant it in a big container, so that it will grow up to 3 feet, maximum 3 to 4 feet length. So many seeds, bunches of seeds you can get, and you can propagate this medicinal plant. Even gastrointestinal disturbances also, this is the first leaf of choice in amoebic dysentery, gummy stools, and this constipation people, and colonic troubles, and different gum with pus discharge and bloody stools also. So this is the best medicinal leaf which will control all the cancerous growths externally and internally. So tremendous response from the patient. So all the kidney renal function tests are becomes normal, and the hepatic bile salts and bile pigments and this hepatic reports also very favorable, and cardiac pulsations, there is no change, and there is no high BP or low BP, and lung capacity also, plum discharge. If there is any sputum accumulated in the bronchus and bronchial tree, the sputum will expectorate by taking of this leaf 3 times daily. So lung vital capacity will be improved, and there is no cough, even a season also. In the season, everybody will cough, but if you consume this medicinal leaf 3 times daily, absolutely your speech is very bold, and you can uninterruptedly you can speech up to 2 hours or 3 hours. Especially for politicians, this leaf is very effective before going on to the stage. So there won't be any cough or a dry cough or any irritation at the because of dust problem or pollen grains or any pungent flowers also aggravate this recurrent cough. So that will be diminished by chewing this leaf before giving a speech on stage, especially politicians. So this is all-in-one. We can name it as all-in-one medicinal plant for cancer to common problem to cancer. This is the leaf of choice, or this is the plant of choice on the earth. So even I am consuming 3 leaves 3 times daily. So it is very effective, and you will be very energetic and productive, and there won't be any this energy loss or fatigue or syncope or any adverse effects. So this is the plant of choice.